Alright guys, welcome back to another update video of what we got going on around here with the trucks and other things. Everything has finally came into the mail, and I'm getting really stoked and excited. The weather is supposed to get really nice next week, and I can't wait. It's almost time to start installing all these upgrades and parts on these trucks, the Murderado and Red Rebel. And we actually been out here in the garage for the last like 3 hours since early this morning, keeping up on our energy and cleaning the garage out, because Lord knows, you know, wintertime just destroys everything. It's so hard to keep things clean. But anyways, just for instance, for those of you that work in the shop a lot, even when it's cold out, you know, whether you have a heater or not, I just got this thing not that long ago. I freaking love it. It'll make it 90 degrees in here. But anyways, this is the pile of crap that I swept up. This is all the garbage that is accumulated behind all of the stuff in the corners and everything. We organized a little bit, moved some toolboxes around and stuff, but anyways, we'll save you guys the headache of you know, listening to all that stupid bull crap. We got all the parts, so without further ado, here we go. Now, those of you that have been paying attention, you already know that I had the Pro Forged oversized track bar, fully adjustable track bar. This is the one that's going in my truck, and as you can see, sadly, my beautiful paint job that I did to it has taken a toll from being moved around and not getting used. And then the second one that they sent me on accident, because they sent me two for some odd reason when I only ordered one. Oh, my buddy who owns the Midnight Rider, those of you that have been paying attention to the channel and have seen the one video I have of the Midnight Rider introducing you guys to it, he is getting these other oversized, fully adjustable Pro Forged track bar. So he will be installing that on his truck. So we got that to install on Red Rebel and on the Midnight Rider. Underneath the bench here, we have the diff cover all painted up. Got a little touch up to do to it still, but it's looking real good, as you can see. Inside here, we have Red Rebel's cold air intake. Here's the upper tubular control arms from Spindle Source that we got for the Murderado. And inside here is hardware and one of the other ball joints. We have the bumper relocation brackets for Red Rebel's body lift. Below that we have Red Rebel's 3-inch body lift, and below that we have Red Rebel's heavy metal 3.5-inch suspension lift. Over here to the left we have the Murderado's two 12-inch subwoofers and its 600 watt amp. And behind there, in that plastic right there, is Red Rebel's rain guards. Here's the rain guards that we ordered for the Murderado. They sent us the wrong ones, though. They sent us the ones for an crew cab. So these are too big for the extended cab windows. So they refunded us our money and just let us keep the product. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to sell these to my buddy. He's got a crew cab. And we're going to reorder a new set for the Murderado. Over here we got the rear axle, all wire wheeled up and sanded and repainted, ready to be reassembled and go into Red Rebel. And the blacked out taillights on the Murderado right out here. I will open up the garage door and show you. I already installed them. They were so easy to install, why not just install them, right? So the blacked out taillights are on the Murderado. Well, there you go. Complete transformation just by putting taillights on a truck. It's amazing what taillights can do. We got to repaint the toolbox or rebedline the toolbox for the Murderado. We got to do some body work to her. The winter paid a little bit of a toll on her, so we're going to fix that. And we're going to do rockers and all sorts of stuff. There's the back rack for the Murderado, all set up and ready to go, just like before. I started to wire wheel and sand down the bull bar for the Murderado. I'm getting ready to finish that up here today and paint it. And then inside, I have forget to bring it out into the garage, we have the Zone Suspensions 3-inch body lift for the Murderado. And then one other small thing, I don't want to leave you guys out. Well, it's kind of buried in there, I don't feel like digging it out, are the LED lights for the dashboards. We got pink for the Murderado because my old lady drives it more than anybody. She wanted pink lights, so that's what she gets. And then we got red ones for Red Rebel, obviously, because we're going with the red and black theme, so we're keeping red LEDs. So I hope you guys are as excited about it as I am. Probably not, because again, they're not your trucks, so you know the excitement is obviously going to be mostly mine. But for those of you that have been keeping up to date on these trucks and following my channel, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys enjoy this update video, and stay tuned for the next update video, which will be something involving installing or putting something on one of the trucks, doing something to one of the trucks. As I said, the warm weather is almost here. Oh shoot, I almost forgot. We got Red Rebel's tow mirrors up here. So again, lots of updates to come. Lots of updates. Even just small things like we have to do a fuel filter, and we have to change the ABS controller / module on the Murderado, and even stupid little things like that. There's gonna be a lot of update videos and a lot of installation videos coming up. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what you think, and make sure you subscribe. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later.